I have my tilapia, I've prepared it, I've taken all the scales away. I have my onions slightly chopped. I have ginger and garlic also here, big chopped into pieces. My bell pepper, half bell pepper over here, also chopped into slices. I have pasley leaves, I have broccoli, and one plantain. Before I start the fish, I put the plantain inside the water so that it doesn't get dry, because it won't look nice when it's dry. So I transfer my tilapia into this bowl so that I can have space. So since we are going to boil this fish, we need to spice it a little bit. So I'm using powdered garlic and ginger. Powdered garlic to it. Now add salt to it also. Salt. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. We are going to boil the fish, and we have our pan on fire, so we'll put in the fish, then we'll add in our chopped onions. Put our chopped onions on it. You add everything to it, everything. Finally, the broccoli. So add some amount of water to it, because we need the water, because the water has to boil the fish and also the vegetables around. I'll add some little salt to it because I've added water to the fish. Give a taste. Okay. And lastly, some rosemary. Okay. So after 7 minutes, I want to turn the fish. Wow. I think you need to be very careful with the fish when turning. Hence, I better take. We let the other half also cook for 7 minutes. And after this, we will fry the fish for a while also. So it's a combination of 2 different tactics. Another 7 minutes, the other half of the fish is also okay. So I'll take this off from fire, then I'll put it on fire again to fry the fish. In the meantime, I'll boil the plantain. I'll add some small amounts of salt. So we have our fish on the plate right now, and since we have water around it, I'll first brush some oil around the fish so that since we have water, the oil won't be sprinkling around. Half of the head gone. Because the fish is soft, very soft. So the other half is also okay. So right now I'll take the fish off.